Seals, gaskets, O-rings. They don't look like much on their own, but they're an essential part in keeping our planes flying, our communications secure, our military safe, and our homes comfortable. Moving the modern world forward is what we do at Sealing Devices. Terry Galanis Sr. may not have been thinking that big when he started the company with a $157 investment in Parker O-rings back in 1963. Now a third-generation family business guided by Elizabeth Galanis Miller, Sealing Devices is both a manufacturer and a distributor for customers around the globe. With more than 200 employees at our production facility in Western New York, 4 North American sales offices, and international partnerships to give you the best buying power to run your business, together we can develop a sealing solution for almost any requirement. Starting with our applications engineering team, we work with you, whether you need a product recommendation, design assistance, or material testing. And if you have a unique problem or application of any size, we have the expertise and equipment to customize and build a solution to your exact specifications. Since 1963, we've built strong relationships with our suppliers, understanding their products so we can select the correct product or raw material for your needs. We have over 200 state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment options for die cutting, laser cutting, water jet cutting, rubber molding, 3D printing, and more. Plus, our certified quality management system ensures you're getting the highest quality products that meet your specific requirements. Superior seals, innovative solutions, exceptional service. That was Terry Sr.'s vision from the beginning and continues with the Galanis family today. And it's a vision that lives on in our commitments to our people, our partners, and our customers. You may not think of Sealing Devices whenever you take off, reach out, or settle in. But at Sealing Devices, we're always thinking of you. To get in touch with us, visit sealingdevices.com.